Dermarolling video for your neck. And guys, if you do not know, neck is not only this part. The neck starts from here, your jaw, and goes here, 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 and basically until the nipples. I cannot show you nipples, of course, and I cannot show a little bit lower than this, but basically your chest and your neck is a part of your neck, and your neck is over here as well. How to make your skin tighter, how to look younger, how to have glowy neck, because if you only have here tight but your neck is wrinkly, how does it look like? I make your skin glowy. If you don't believe, this is me without any makeup today, and I want to show you guys completely naked skin. Like, I'm going to be using 0.2 millimeter Dermaroll and 0.5 millimeter Dermaroll. Later on I'm gonna tell you why. I am esthetician. I've been in aesthetics for more than 10 years. I have my own skincare brand, which is natural, organic, cruelty-free, and I do have microneedling tools that are effective with the real individual needles, not like other products on the market that are wheel made, cheap quality that does not really work and can damage your skin. I have a completely separate video about that. I can link down below what's the difference and stuff like this. I do have a couple of my clients' pictures before and after, what the Dermaroller did to them. Not every Dermaroller can do this, not every. So do your own research before digging into Dermarolling if you're first time into microneedling world. Beside that, I'm gonna leave playlist of my Dermarolling videos. You can scroll down in the description box and you can check. There is a lot of information about microneedling. Now I have to be a little bit careful because I have thyroid issues. I have a Hashimoto's thyroiditis. I'm going to be using two rollers, 0.20 and 0.5. Basically, whereas my thyroid, I'm gonna be using only 0.2 because I want to be very, very careful. Now I did my research. It does not affect actually microneedling in any way your thyroid because it's not so on the skin. But anyway, I'm just being very, very careful with everything what I do in my life. So first thing, what is disinfecting Dermaroller? I already disinfected my Dermaroller with isopropyl alcohol. I let it dry. It's completely dry and completely sterile. So I'm taking cotton. By the way, this is not single use. This is so embarrassing, but this is reusable. This is the word, reusable cotton. And I'm going to disinfect my neck everywhere where I'm going to be using Dermaroller. And some people say alcohol is bad, it's not good. Yes, but in the hospital, when you go to drain your blood and when they take a blood to check, they don't disinfect with anything else. They disinfect only with alcohol. Because the only one thing that's going to prevent you from infection is alcohol. And microneedle is actually going into your skin and you don't want to have an infection because a serious infection can go in your bloodstream and can be actually deadly. I'm not joking, guys. This is very, very serious. If you don't want to use alcohol in your skin, that's up to you. But this channel is not only getting anti-aging results, but also getting safe results and being safe. And I'm disinfecting behind my neck as well. And look at this. I was clean. I washed my skin right before that. With the same, I'm going on my fingers because I will be touching neck and disinfect my fingers as well. If you have gloves, you can use gloves. I'm going to be using Dermaroller for only thyroid place where it's right here. So I have to be very, very careful. Until then, if you do not have thyroid issues, skip a little bit forward. 1, 2, 3. You always want to lift. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. You always lift down, lift, 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 and then like this horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can go if I feel that maybe it's not enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of making plus on the top of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're a first time user and if you have extremely sensitive skin, this is the good size to start microneedle your neck. This is 0.2. Now I'm going to 0.5, which is, this baby is sharp. So I'm going to do the same, like roll, lift, roll, lift, roll, lift. I'm gonna do entire neck, I'm gonna do chest and the back of the neck, and then you will see what else I'm going to do. I'm doing 10 times. Now this part over here, for example, I am a little bit older. I have this, that's fine, that's not gonna go away, but you can always tighten the skin around that part. So I'm giving like extra love over there because this part has always been bothering me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times. Here the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 times. And then I go normally. If you're getting red, that's totally normal. I'm getting red a little bit. Now I am going to the chest. I am always starting with the vertical and then horizontal. So I'm gonna go like this. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The best thing will be if you're naked in the bathroom. Well, I cannot be naked over here. And you do completely from your, basically like 1 inch above your nipples all the way like this. You can dermaroll even your armpits, wherever you want. In this case, you have all the view, you know, in front of you. So now I do have a little bit lines, you cannot see basically on the camera, but I do have from sleeping on the side, a little bit like kind of, not wrinkles, but a little bit doesn't look that tight and that smooth like over here on this part of the skin because of the sleeping like this. So I'm giving extra love over there, like 5 more times. 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, the place between your boobs. And now I am going to the neck. I don't know how I'm going to see, but I'm gonna try to show you on the camera, guys. So when you tighten your neck, you wanna roll your neck as well, because over there skin is also have to be tight. You cannot have tight skin just in the front and loose in the back. So I know it's a little bit not comfortable when you're gonna start doing yourself. And I also go like this behind your ear. There is neck as well. And so I'm dragging as far as I can feel it. It's not easy, guys, but this horizontal strokes like this is the easiest thing to do. Is the best thing if you could ask somebody else to help you out. It's done. It's super simple, super easy. First time, don't do more than like 10 minutes. If you're doing together, of course, with the face, you're gonna be doing most likely with the face. So 5 minutes here, like more or less 5 minutes altogether, chest, neck, and behind. Behind, you will see it's a little bit uncomfortable to use it. Now I'm taking vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid serum. This is going to brighten, tighten my skin. Vitamin C serum that I'm using is Gin Amber Beauty, which is my brand. Natural, organic, vegan, plant-based ingredient, no synthetic, and then 72% organic. And I'm going for the chest. When I apply, it's really smooth, and the good thing that I don't have any perfumes in my skincare products, so it's not going to irritate your skin. It doesn't smell nice like most of the very fancy creams with the perfumes in that. It smells like nothing, or most likely smells like herbs. After microneedling, you have open wounds, and you don't want to apply on your neck something with perfumes, with the bad drying alcohols, with parabens, with synthetic stuff. And the second cream that I'm using is hyaluronic acid serum, which is moisturizing, plumping your skin, prevents that aging. Who doesn't like? People these days, women, they're like, I wanna look younger. But what about when you're young? Start taking care of your skin earlier than later, that you will never be old, too old. You always want to be younger, right? You always want to look younger. I want to look younger. Thank God I started taking care of my skin 10 years ago. I am seeing results right now. Even though I'm 33, I look like 33. I don't want to look younger, but I want to look good 33 years old. And plus I have autoimmune disorder, which my body is loaded with a lot of toxins. Most people, 99%, they have autoimmune disorder. They have they age faster. They have premature aging. So I am pretty happy, guys, with my skin. I'm very happy. How long, how often you should be doing? Like I say, no more than 10 minutes first time. Start with once a week, let's say for 5-6 weeks, and then you can do like once or twice a month. You don't have to invest a lot of time in neck. Your neck is less exposed to the sun. More care you need for your face than for your neck, but also don't forget the neck, please. If you dermaroll your face, dermaroll your neck as well. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, leave me down below. I'm gonna be answering questions. I'm gonna be reading all the questions. Share your information, what you have about microneedling, how it helped you with the other people. So many people are afraid to start doing dermarolling, but I've been doing dermarolling for 10 years, and as you see, I'm still alive. My hair on my face doesn't grow bigger, thicker. Many people are afraid to dermaroll because they think the Dermaroller going to increase the hair grow, which increasing hair grow in your head, not on your face or on your brow. Increase the hair grow already where you have hair. Where you don't have hair, it's not going to increase unless you have more like male hormones and you have like a really serious mustache. I do have mustache. I shave it once a month. Since I was born, I had it, not because of Dermaroller. But if you have like a lot, I will avoid lip line. Just talking overall about Dermaroll, but usually it's not growing thicker, bigger, faster and stuff like this. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, click the red button, subscribe, and you will be notified about my videos. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and for supporting my business and for trusting me. I love you guys so much, and I see you in my next video. Bye. Bye. I love you. Bye.